I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. Together we own DryTech Exteriors, Dayton's best rated and most decorated flat roofing company. Flat roofing differs significantly from traditional pitched roofing, as it features a horizontal or nearly horizontal design. This style of roofing has gained prominence in both residential and commercial construction due to its aesthetic appeal, economic advantages, and potential for rooftop utilization.
Flat roofing comes with some unique challenges. Proper drainage is critical for flat roofs to prevent water pooling, which can lead to leaks and structural damage. Incorporating effective drainage systems is essential. Flat roofs may also require more frequent maintenance due to their susceptibility to water-related issues and the potential for membrane damage. Flat roofs are more exposed to the elements, making them susceptible to extreme weather conditions such as heavy rain, snow, and high winds. Choosing the right Dayton company for flat roofing is a critical decision that impacts the success and longevity of your roofing system.
At DryTech Exteriors, we've got your flat roofing needs covered. Our team of seasoned professionals have extensive expertise in flat roofing. Our years of hands-on experience allow us to navigate the intricacies of various flat roofing materials and systems, ensuring top-notch installations, repairs, and maintenance.
At DryTech Exteriors, we prioritize the use of high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship in every flat roofing project. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in the durability and longevity of our installations, providing clients with roofs that withstand the test of time and environmental challenges.
So why should you call DryTech Exteriors for your flat roofing needs? Well, for years, DryTech Exteriors has been voted Best of Dayton, the next door neighborhood favorite, and we were awarded the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award. We have even earned the Owens Corning Platinum Preferred status, putting us in the top 1% of contractors in the whole country for customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. And DryTech Exteriors has received more 5-star reviews than any other Dayton roofing company.
If your flat roof needs repaired, replaced, or just inspected, call our family business, DryTech Exteriors, and we'll show you why we're Dayton's best flat roofing expert.